Hi again, this is Sue from Bitcoin Country. I have a second edition of May 9th, 2021 news to share with you, just because there's so much going on. So let's get right into it. The links are all below in the description box. I'm not going to go over any of these articles in any great detail, just because there's too much to cover. If the title interests you, look into it further. I make it very easy by providing the links. eBay exploring crypto payment options and NFT auctions. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. Those could be anything from a car title to a deed to a piece of artwork that's digital. The important part here is to note eBay is exploring crypto payment options. At the end of the article, it says, executives at the online marketplace have previously hinted that eBay could be open to accepting crypto payments. 3 years ago, a senior vice president at the firm said eBay was seriously considering integrating Bitcoin into its platform as a payment method. Cointelegraph, another article. Altcoins rally as bulls pile into large cap tokens and layer one projects. Just like stocks can have large caps, so can cryptos. And that just means the ones that have the biggest market caps. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. Everything else is considered an altcoin. So when they say large cap altcoins, they're not talking about Bitcoin, but any of the large ones that are in the list. I don't even know how many to tell you. The top 100 maybe. Could be more than that. But probably not more than that. EOS, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and Ethereum are just a few of the altcoins that chased after new multi-year highs as layer one projects saw an increase in trading volume. Mastercard survey offers tentative encouragement for crypto adoption. 40% said they plan to use cryptocurrency in the next year. And then down here they say, among millennials, interest is even higher. 67% said they were more open to using the technology than they were a year ago. 77% said they were interested in learning more about it, and 75% said they would use crypto if they understood it better. From CoinDesk, are banks getting nervous about competition from DeFi? And DeFi meaning decentralized finance. And then when I went down here, it showed this link, DeFi more disruptive to banks than Bitcoin, says NIG. If you're interested in DeFi, you can look at that article. NYDIG CEO explains how latest partnership could bring Bitcoin to 300 million US bank accounts. Just wanting to show you here that NYDIG has institutional partnerships. Institutional is a lot of money. They're pulling a lot of clients in this way by going after institutional money. Okay, that's just the notes from the podcast, so I'm not going to look at that. From Cointelegraph, stable coins present new dilemmas for regulators as mass adoption looms. So obviously there's regulatory and policy issues relating to the impact of stablecoins on financial systems and economies around the world. And so they're trying to figure out how this is all going to work. A stable coin is something that's pegged to a currency like the US dollar or the English pound. One of the stable coins the US has is USDT, which is commonly called Tether. And so it just explains in the article that they're still trying to figure out what they're going to do. And then finally, something different. From zero hedge, the pivot to gold has begun. In this article, the guy talks about comparison of gold and Bitcoin, and how some people love Bitcoin and hate gold, and some people love gold and hate Bitcoin. But as an alternative, a hedge for your wealth portfolio, maybe both should be considered. And actually, I was at a local coin shop this past week, and they told me they had sold more gold and silver bullion in one day than they had ever sold in a week in the 40 years they've been in business. So even local people are starting to get concerned, at least a few isolated ones. So I'm not saying go out and buy $100,000 in gold, but I'm just saying consider. And I think in the article they even say, like all things, there are reasons why putting all of your eggs in one basket in markets as cocked up and purposefully manipulated as these is simply bad asset management. I grew up hearing that phrase, don't have all your eggs in one basket, and I try to live by that. And I think when it comes to money, it's also true. So I hope this brief report was not too brief. Like I said, I've got the links all down in the description box below. I wanted to get this second update out very quickly to you because there's just too much happening on a daily basis. And I need to start making videos more often, and I'm trying to keep them brief so you can actually get through them and pick out what you are interested in looking at. So this is Sue. I'm from Bitcoin Country. Thanks for joining me today. I'd like to just remind you again, family is everything. Take care. Bye.